3, 2, 1, go. To 60, flat 3 left hook. Flat 3 left hook. 130. 5 right, opens to 6 right long, keep it on. 5 right, opens to 6 right long. 100, turn, handbrake, hairpin right rough. Turn, handbrake, hairpin right rough. Good lad. 60, 6 left long. 100, turn, hairpin left over bump, carry. Just here, turn, hairpin left over bump, carry. And 200. Keep middle over long crest. And 60 down. 5 right, 5 left long. There's 5 left long and 6 right opens over crest. There's 5 left long. And 6 right opens over crest 100. And 6 right, 200. 6 left into crest bump and down into 5 left, don't cut. Down to 5 left, don't cut, just there, on power. 150, 5 left long. And 6 right over small crest. Into 6 left, caution braking, down into 2 right long hook. 2 right long hook. And 40, 3 left hook. And 6 left, tightens to 5 left long. It tightens to 5 left long over crest. Keep her in. And 200. 6 right, 170. And 6 right long, caution braking, down into 2 right opens, keep in. So 2 right opens, keep in. Keeps going this one, keeps going. 170. Caution, chicane, left entry. Left entry chicane. Carry this if you can. And 80. 6 right long. 300 up the middle. Turn, 5 right at junction. Press bump on exit, maybe not. Turn, 5 right, keep right here. And 300 down the middle. And 5 left long, tightens late into 1 left and second pile of logs. So keep push, push, push. And tightens to 1 right just after these logs. 1 left, sorry. Okay, and 6 left long over crest. And 60. 6 left, 350. And small crest, 60 down, caution braking, 5 left long, so small crest, 60 after it, 5 left long and 40, open hairpin right, so open hairpin right after the junction. And 60, 2 right, tightens over crest, and 3 left hook. 80 up the middle, 6 right past junction, 80, 6 right, 150, 6 left, and 100, braking before crest, turn, hairpin left, handbrake, brake just there, turn, hairpin left, handbrake, and 4 right, keep it flat, and 60, 6 left long, and 6 right over crest, 150, caution braking, 6 left into 1 left, don't cut, and 4 right, don't cut, 150 up the middle, 1 left carry, 1 left carry, and 5 right, 100, 6 left over crest, and 200, 5 left, keep in, 5 left, go on, and 200, 5 right, and 100, caution braking, 5 left, 5 right hard. half long and 1 left. So 5 right, half long into 1 left. And 2 left push. And 6 left. And 3 right long into hairpin left. Carry on the hairpin left. Hairpin left here, carry. And 60. 6 left, 100. And 6 left over crest, 150. And 6 right, continues for 250, keep your foot in if you can. So keeps going like this for 250. And 100. 6 right, very long, just there. And tightens to 5 right, so tightens to 5 right, just there. And sudden turn, hairpin right. Sudden turn, hairpin right, just there. And 200, it's going to be rough. And we're going to turn, hairpin left over bump at the top. And turn, hairpin left over bump. And flat 3 right, opens to 6 right. So keep it flat round there, opens to 6 right, continues for 200. And 230, rock. And crest into 6 left. So through crest 6 left there. And then 300, bump through dip. It's going to be rough down here. And 5 left, continues to 150. And 5 left, yeah, and tightens into 4 left. So keeps going like this. And then tightens into 4 left. 4 left just there. Keeps going like this for 100. It's a 3 right puck. So it's 3 right puck. And 60. 1 left half long. And 40. 5 left into hairpin right carry. Carry round here. And 200. And 1 right at the top. There's 1 right here. Yeah. And 40. 5 right. And 44 left, 100 out of it. And 4 right, tightens over crest late. Tightens over crest late. 130. 2 left hook. And 40. 6 right. 44 left. There's 4 left. And keep right over crest into 6 left. So 6 left just there. 350 through dip. And 4 right, don't cut in the trees. There's 4 right, don't cut just there. And 60, bumpy. 6 right, tightens to 5 right. That's 5 right. And down, 3 left through, tightens through dip. 40, turn 1 left and square right. The square right out of it. And 2 left. 40, 6 left long. And 40, 6 right, 170. And 6 left long. It's 6 left long here. Yep. And 40, 6 right. Keep her in here. 6 right. 130, 3 left half long. 3 left half long. And 4 right. 4 right just there. And 60. 3 left, tightens long over finish. Carry this one if you can. Here's your finish just there. Good lads.